In this lesson, I will show you how to find out the slope of the line, and this is the second method. In the last lesson, I have explained to you how to find out the slope, and this is the equation of the line. Formula we have used in the last lesson, it was rise over run, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It means you have to find out the solution sets of this equation, then you have to put the value of y2, y1, x2, x1 and find out the slope. But here I am going to show you the easiest way. This is the equation of the line, right? We would solve the equation for y in terms of x. So see, if I say 4y is equal to 10 minus 3x, or right, or we can write down same thing like this is equal to negative 3x, because there is no sign, it means positive. These both are same. You can write down like this or you can write down like this, but here we want only y. We do not want 4y or 3y or anything with y, so we have to divide it by 4. Same thing you have to do here, same thing you have to do here. These two will cancel, so y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 10 over 4. So here we have solved the equation for y in terms of x. X is here on the right hand side. Always you have to solve for y. So y is equal to this coefficient. See, this is the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x always is the slope. So slope of the line is negative 3 over 4. So easy. Here you have to find out the solution set and then you have to put the value, a long method. But here just put 4y or whatever you have here, 3y, 2y, only y on the right hand side. Take all other on the right hand side. Whatever is the coefficient of x, keep in mind coefficient of x will be the slope. It means that you can write down the equation in the form of simple as y is equal to mx plus b. See, m will be the slope, x, this is our variable, while b, this is constant, is considered a y-intercept. So y, you have to write down whatever equation you have to write down in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Whatever will be the coefficient of the x, you have to consider is a slope. This is the slope. So easy. If it still is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.